Welcome back to the Max class. So today we are here with a very new problem and a little difficult problem which all the children feel it as a difficult. So none other than in quadratic equations we are having the train problem, yes or no? So you all know very well that we have different models of train problems, board problems in quadratic equation. So today I want you to know the concept in detail about the train problem. Okay, so please now join me into my class to understand the concept. Yes, so here is a question. First let me learn the question. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. That means the given thing is actually the distance of the train. That means the distance a train have to travel, that is 480 kilometers. Okay, so let us write that step. Distance of a train is 480 kilometers. Yes, 480 kilometers. Now that is the first step. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, children, if means it is a condition, yes or no? Only for conditions we use if. So you know that it is a conditional clause. You use if in English for conditions. But suppose this is a condition. So if we started here, that means it is given as a condition. That means without condition, let us once check here. Distance is given. What will be the speed of the train? See, let us suppose the speed of the train is x kilometers per hour. Why? Because it is calculated in x kilometers per hour only, no? Speed is calculated in kilometers per hour. Now what is there? Time taken. So what is the time taken? Let it be y hours. Okay, this is the original condition. This is the original condition. What? See, suppose a train is going and a distance is given 480 kilometers. Then the original thing, what? The speed is x and the time is y. So this is the original condition. From this original condition, let me take one equation. What to take? So you all do remember that speed is equal to distance by time. What is distance by time? Okay, speed equal to distance by time, and but I want this in case of time. So time is equals to distance by speed. Yes or no? So these are different formulas. Original formula is speed equal to distance by time. Suppose you want time. In time means time is equal to distance by speed, or distance is equals to speed into time. So this is how you do. Now among all these three formulas you can use any formula, but what I am going to use is I am going to use this formula. You know why I am going to use this one? Because distance value I know. Okay, so I can write the other things to the other side. So according to that, 480 is equals to x into y. Let this be equation 1, which is derived from the original equation. Okay, now going into the condition. Now you go into the condition. Now read the question step and then you write the condition. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, if the speed is 8 kilometers per hour less, original speed is what? X. So less in the sense minus, children. How much less? 8. What is less from original? So x minus 8 kilometers per hour. So this is the condition. So do you understand? If the speed had been 8 kilometers less than the original speed, that means then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So that means the time is nothing but time is taken as 3 hours more. That means original more means plus 3 hours. So I hope you understood. See, this is the condition, children. This is the condition and this is the original one. So in condition they gave. Now you tally for yourself. Speed is decreased. That means time will increase. Yes or no? Speed is decreased, so that time is increased. Correct only. If you decrease your speed, you will take so long time to go and travel the same distance. So the condition is verified. Now using this second condition, write the variable, like means you have to write it as an equation, first thing. Okay, and you might wonder, here only speed and time is given. Distance is same, children. For the second condition, the distance is the same, 80 kilometers per hour. Now see, we will take in this model only. That means we have taken for the first condition this formula, no? So let us take that condition only. Let us take that condition only first. So distance 480 is equal to speed x minus 8 into y plus 3. So now I will start multiplying. Come on, look here. 480 is equals to x into y, xy, each term binomial into binomial, x into the second bracket minus 8 into the second bracket, x into 3, 3x minus 8y minus into plus minus 24. So now in place of this xy, as x into y is 480, can I write the value 480? So for that only, I have derived. So 480 is equals to 480 plus 3x minus 8y minus 24. So when this 480 minus 480, that means if this one goes to the other side, it will be a cancel. So minus 3x is equal to 3x minus 8y minus 24. Now this will become 0. So 3x minus 8y minus 24 equals to 0, children. Now because see, all have values now. Now you should think over. Now this is an equation and this is an equation. Now how to solve this? You can solve it in any means, children. Suppose xy is equals to 480. You can write. Now what do you need actually? You need speed. They asked us the speed. Yes or no? Speed means what? X. That means if all are in the x means, then you will get the x value. If all the terms are in x values, you will get x. So you write here y is equals to 480 by x. Write this equation in form of y. So is equal to, when y is equals to 480 by x, that means in terms of x. Now apply that. Now substitute this value here. So 3x minus 8 into 480 by x minus 24 equals to 0. Children, the sum is little bit big only, so don't get worried. Now see, because this is a fraction, take LCM on both the sides. It becomes 3x square, because this is all by 1 by 1. So I should multiply it by x. Yes or no? By x minus 480 into 80. 0, 4, 6. We are getting the remainder, and 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6, 38. So 3840 minus 24x is equal to 0. Where is the denominator? You should write the denominator, children, by x, and x will multiply to the other side, it will become 0. So this becomes the equation. Now what you should do? Take away first this. Divide the whole equation by 3, because all the terms will get cancelled in 3. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because see, 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is how much? 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 means this is divisible by 3, exactly. So divided by 3, x square minus divided by 3, 1 time, 2 times 6, 8 times and 0, minus 8x. Now write it in the perfect order. X square minus 8x minus 1280 is equals to 0. Now this becomes your quadratic equation, where you should split the middle term. Split the middle term now to find the speed of the train. Now see, what is the term here? First, you are not having coefficient of x square. So you are having only constant. That means, see, I will tell you an easy method here. 1280. Make it prime factorization, children. You can easily understand, and you can easily group them. 2 table. 2 6s are, 4s are, 160 times, 80 times, 40 times, 20 times, 10 times, 2 times and 5 times. This is 5 here. Okay. So now see, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 2s are there and 5 are there. Now see, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Yes or no? 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. So till here, suppose 32. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 20 2s are 40. Now see, if you multiply these both, you will get this number. So if you subtract those both, you are getting the middle term. Yes or no? X. Okay, you are getting you are getting 8. The difference between these two numbers is 8. Yes or no? Yes, but you should know where to keep minus and where to keep plus. Because 8 is having negative, I will put for the bigger number and smaller number as plus. Now come on, write x square minus 40x plus 32x minus 1280 equals to 0. Now from the first two terms, x into x minus 40 plus 32 into, if you take common, x minus 40 is equals to 0. So x minus 40 into x plus 32 is equals to 0. Now here we got two terms of x. Yes, no? Quadratic means you will get 2 only. So 2 terms. But see, x plus 32 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 32. It is not possible actually. You should write it is not possible. It is not possible. It is not possible. Because speed cannot be in negative. So now take what is other one, x minus 40 equals to 0, x equals to 40 kilometers per hour. What is this x initially? Initially x is nothing but the speed of the train. Yes or no? So this is the speed of the train. That means the speed of the train is nothing but 40 kilometers per hour. This is how you find the value of the speed here. Find it numerically, children. Don't stop till the equation. You should find the value, because they told here in the question, find the speed of the train. So you should never stop it in the quadratic equation. You should continue and do it. I hope you understood it, children. I will just give 5 seconds the view of this thing, so that it will be helpful for you to take a snap or understand or do it. Thank you for watching, children, and you can just post me any more questions you need me to explain from quadratic or any other chapters related to maths. Just send me in my comment section. I'll help you out. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.